If you are a beginner on Fiverr, getting your first clients can feel confusing. You may have skills, but you are not sure how to get noticed. You create a gig, wait, and hope someone contacts you. This is where AI automation can help. Not to cheat the system, but to save time and work smarter. First, AI helps you choose the right service. Many beginners try to offer too many things at once. AI can help you analyze your skills and pick one clear service. When your service is clear, clients understand you faster. Second, AI helps you write better Fiverr gigs. You can use AI to structure your title, description, and facts. This makes your gig easier to read and more professional. You still control the final content. AI just helps organize your ideas. Third, AI helps with keyword research. You can use AI tools to find what buyers are searching for. This helps your gig appear in more searches on Fiverr. Better keywords mean better visibility. Fourth, AI helps you respond faster to clients. You can prepare message templates using AI. When a buyer contacts you, you reply quickly and clearly. Fast replies build trust. Fifth, AI helps you stay consistent. Instead of doing everything manually every day, you can create simple workflows. Research, optimize, respond, improve. AI will not bring clients overnight, but it will help you work with focus and clarity. The goal is not to automate everything. The goal is to remove confusion and save time. If you are just starting on Fiverr, using AI the right way can give you a strong foundation. Simple systems, clear offers, consistent effort. That is how beginners can use AI automation on Fiverr. If this video helped you understand how beginners can use AI automation on Fiverr, make sure to like the video. Subscribe to the Smart Earn Lab for more simple and practical guides on freelancing AI tools and earning online the right way. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.